What up, African family, and welcome to another video of African history, culture, and worldview. And welcome back to my series African Myth and Legend 101, where I tell various stories from African myth and legend. Today, we're going to tell the story about how a Zulu goddess gave humans beer. And as always, don't forget to support the home team on patreon.com and go to Afrographics.com, a website where you can get helpful illustrative infographics summarizing African history. Links to Patreon and Afrographics are in the description box below. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Mbamba Mwana Waresa was a goddess of rainbows, agriculture, harvest, and rain. When the thunder rolls, it's said that she's simply playing her bongo as she blesses the Zulu land with much needed rain. Mbamba Mwana Waresa lived amongst the gods of the sky in a beautiful house made of rainbow arches, but she was very lonely and unhappy. She was unable to find a husband among the gods, who were too warlike for her liking, so she decided to search among the mortals. In a simple village, she found the cattle herder, Thandwe, who sang of his true love for the land. Hearing his song, Mbamba Mwana Waresa fell in love, and she knew she had found a good partner. Still, the goddess wasn't quite convinced that this mortal would be marriage material, and so she decided to test him. Mbamba sent him a gorgeous potential Zulu bride, while she herself shapeshifted into an ugly old woman. But Thandwe, wise as he was not fooled, for he recognized his beloved Mbamba, the goddess of the sky. Mbamba Mwana Waresa was overjoyed and was now convinced Thandwe was the right man for her, and they got married. However, the other Zulu gods were furious that the beautiful Mbamba Waresa would humiliate them by marrying a mere mortal. Mbamba had a plan to soothe their anger, however. She made a drink that no man or god could resist, and thus they would have to come together to celebrate this marriage union. Mbamba made beer. This beverage brought the mortals and gods close together, creating a bond. To ensure this bond would never be broken, the goddess Mbamba shared her brewing secrets with the humans and made them self-sufficient. And to this very day, beer plays a very important role in Zulu culture. Well, I'm all out, guys. If you like these videos and want to help out in its continued production, you can do so on patreon.com. The link is in the description box below. Know thyself. Remember your ancestors. Peace.